Hey everyone, this is Aditi, your English trainer, and I welcome you back to my channel. I know that you have already seen the thumbnail and the title, so you've got the idea of what we're going to talk about in this video. Guys, whether you're a beginner or you are trying to improve your speaking skills, this video is for you. So without wasting any time, let's dive right in. And you can let me know about what you think about today's video in the comment section. The first step of mastering English in a month is setting clear and achievable goals. Ask yourself first, what level of proficiency do I want by the end of this month? Now, this is a basic conversation that you need to have with yourself. Whether you want to focus on your listening section or your speaking section, or you want to correct your grammar, you need to have that idea first. Now that you know what you want to learn, next you need a well-structured study plan. Divide your month into 4 weeks and allocate specific topics or skills to a week. Just giving you one example, look at it. Week 1, we are going to focus on vocabularies, phrases, and idioms this week. We will learn at least 5 new vocabularies each day, 2 phrases, and 2 idioms. Week 2, here we are going to focus on our speaking skills. We will talk on random topics. Week 3, we are going to focus on listening skills. This week, we are going to watch English movies, listen to English podcasts, or listen to native speakers so that we can understand them. Week 4, here we are going to learn some fundamental rules of English grammar that can help us speak English fluently. Now, this is how you need to divide your weeks. It's just an example. You can design it in your own way because you know what suits you best. But remember, consistency is the key. So make sure that your plan includes daily practice. You see, guys, immersion is the key here. To learn this language, you need to fully immerse yourself in it. Change your phone and computer settings to English. Watch English movies and TV shows. And you can also enjoy listening to English music. The more exposure you have, the faster you'll learn. Vocabulary is crucial, and along with it, phrases, phrasal verbs, idioms are also crucial too. So you need to at least learn 5 to 6 new vocabularies each day. Make a separate copy of vocabularies, phrases, and idioms. And before going to bed, you can revise it. Flashcards, language learning apps, online dictionaries, and my videos can be your best friend in this journey. Grammar and sentence structure are the backbone of any language. Have you noticed that I post one question each day in my community section and I ask you to answer it correctly? Also, I explain why that answer is correct because I want you to learn the correct use of that word or that phrase, or maybe I'm trying to teach you the correct rule of grammar. So you need to invest time in understanding English grammar rules and practice sentence construction. Here you can take help of online grammar exercises or textbooks. Ample of exercises are available online. You can practice that at home. Now, most importantly, to practice speaking, you need to find a partner, or you can join online language exchange platforms, or you can take up a course that can guide you step by step to learn English. Always start small. Try to make sentences with 2 to 3 words. Engage in daily conversations, no matter how short they are. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's a part of learning English. Even if you're speaking broken English, I would appreciate that fact that you are at least trying to speak. And it's always better to speak broken English rather than imagining I would learn spoken English. Believe me. I'll tell you how I have practiced my English writing and reading sections. Reading English books, newspapers, or blogs can help improve your reading skills. You will get accustomed to new words, sentence constructions, and also some new phrases. Sometimes in newspapers, we find difficult words and difficult phrases. So if it is boring to you, you can avoid, and you can also try out some other alternatives. Basically, you have to read something that you find exciting. You can try to write a daily journal in English to enhance your writing skills. While writing, you will understand how poor you are in vocabularies or in grammar, and then you will get the hunger of learning it. And this practice, doesn't matter how boring it is, will boost your overall language proficiency. Don't forget to track your progress throughout the month. Are you meeting your goals? If not, then you have to adjust your study plan accordingly. If you find something difficult, then you can adjust it in your own way, but make sure to learn every day because consistency is the key. Also, to cheer yourself up and to stay motivated, you can small victories. Reward yourself. Join English speaking communities and remind yourself why you started this journey in the first place. It's very important that you know the reason of learning this language and how it can benefit you. It's also very important to know that why and how you are going to learn it. So there you have it. Remember, it's all about dedication, consistency, and immersion. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any question or you want more tips, leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more language learning contents. Thanks for watching and best of luck on your English language learning journey.